Really? Really, bro?
I wouldn't say that. But let me talk now, no?
No. Why wouldn't you say that? Because him put in a song. So why wouldn't you say
I
that?
wouldn't say that. Massacre did that go on with that like a thing.
A little thing?
Yes. When Kartel they are prison.
I mean I talk to. Load the camera. Then.
When Kartel they are prison. See? Afrobeat around clot. Afrobeat around dancehall. Learn that. When Kartel they are prison, Afrobeat around dancehall.
Afrobeat named a run dancer.
How we are talking?
Afrobeat was just fresh on the people.
Fresh,
Them of course, bro.
Listen, watch this now.
Watch this now. Tell you that,
watch
bro.
this now, no?
Bro,
Watch
Skinny Beng did a run dancer.
Bro, listen now, bro. Skinny
Massacre, Popcorn,
hey, Skinny Beng even. Skinny
Joshi, all of the new artists them come up, bro, intense.
Come say, he might go, because Skinny Beng is a bigger international artist than Blood Clan Massacre right now. We can't tell you that.
Hold on, since you're going to do the comparison, let me tell you this. Kartel biggest collaboration with Kartel ever do is with song.
Yo, the man have so much, I can't even think about it.
And Popcorn, Clarks, that are the biggest collaboration we ever do.